What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Are you looking for the perfect greeting card to celebrate your friend's housewarming? Hey, I just picked up this greeting card. I love these pop-up 3D cards. They're so interesting. They're so visually engaging, and they really separate your greeting cards from other people's greeting cards. Now, they are a little expensive. I picked this one up. I got it on Amazon. It's from PopLife. They have a variety of cards out there, and I picked up some of them, but I haven't picked up one that has a house in it because I need to celebrate my friend's house purchase. It does come with a fairly large envelope here if you want to mail it. This is pretty big. So I don't know that this will be one postage stamp. I think it's going to be specially priced. But here is the card itself, and you can see it's kind of like recycled paper. It's kind of like that brown paper packaging, but pretty thick, very stiff. And then on the back, we have the PopLife logo cut out with green behind it. But even on the front here, we have a house, and that's all cut out. That's 3D relief in there. You know, it's like laser cut with a green background, so it looks great. Right off the bat, it looks like a very nice, trendy greeting card. But if we open it up, there's that green, and look at that. You can see the house forming out of nothing. Wah, wah. Ooh. Dude, it's like a diorama. Look at that. Don't you feel like you're just walking up to the house? And it's in a greeting card. All paper. You can see here how three-dimensional it is. The house just gets fully built, almost like an old barn raisin. The tree is, well, I guess it's three-dimensional, but it's kind of two-dimensional. There's no thickness of the tree. We have a white picket fence around it, even a sidewalk up here. And again, this is all laser cut out with, you know, gray paper essentially behind it. Look at the head. I mean, there are bushes behind the fence. The windows are cut out all the way around, printed curtains on the outside. There's even smoke coming out of the chimney. Man, that's cool. That is really cool. You can see how they do it. You can see all the ribs and everything in there. But if you want to celebrate someone's home purchase or maybe moving or whatever, and you're looking for a house to celebrate that with, I think this is super cool. You know, it's about $12 for the greeting card, so it may be the gift, not just the card. You might have to give a cheaper bottle of wine or something, but pretty cool. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.